cinema halls in several parts of the country are set to reopen from today, but with strict COVID protocols in place. Now, cinema halls have been shut for the last 7 months. The halls will operate with 50% seating capacity. Shows will be much less in number between noon and 8 p.m. only, and from contactless transactions and PPE kits with armrests and back covers to UV sterilized food items, all arrangements are being made for the moviegoers to entice them to come back and to tell them that it's a safe place for them to return. However, there are going to be no new releases in the theatres this week. It's going to be several old films that are going to be re-released at least for the first couple of weeks. There you can see movies like War and Thappad are going to be released initially. Well, let's go across to Sukirti now for more. Sukirti, tell us, what is the cinema experience going to be like now?
Well, yes, Gargi, currently we are outside the Cinepolis Cinema Hall in Greater Kailash of the national capital. But so far we are not seeing any people here because the first shows, at least here, will be starting at about 11:30 am and the last show will get over at about 8 p.m. So those are the timings that are going to be there. As far as the first, we'll just take you through the fact whether we'll be seeing big numbers today or not, the number of viewers that may actually be coming in. So because only old movies are releasing, especially movies like Malang or Thappad or Kedarnath, these are some of the releases, and many of them have in fact already released on OTT platforms. So we may not see big numbers today. In fact, even at the hall that I'm standing outside today, I tried to check and book a ticket in the 11:30 show just to get a sense of how many seats were actually booked, and found out that among the 80 or so seats that they have in one hall, only about 10 to 15 seats have been booked so far. So at least the turnouts at this point of time are going to be very low because only old releases are happening. As far as the experience is concerned, it is going to change in several ways. Most of the transactions are going to be done digitally. There are theatres that have put up QR scanning boards, so you can just scan that barcode, scan that QR code and buy your tickets, as well as the food orders. All of those can be placed digitally. You will be thermally scanned, masks will be mandatory, all your food will be covered, especially all the popcorn, very crucial part of the movie viewing experience. That will have to be covered. All of that is going to be covered with paper lids. Some halls are even going to carry out a UV sterilization of all the food items. Once the person is inside the hall, there will be alternate seating. So gap of 1 seat is mandatory. Something that when we covered it yesterday, the kind of feedback that we got later from a lot of people was that this is going to change the movie viewing experience, because a lot of people tend to come in family groups or in groups of friends, and if you have to seat one seat apart, then that sort of changes the experience a bit, because you would want to make comments or laugh together at a scene or have a shared experience. So that is going to slightly change with all these social distancing norms in place. But at least at this point of time, it's a good start, may help the economy of the country, but big numbers of viewers are unlikely at this point of time.